Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. We've seen significant movement today. I had a lot of requests for an AVAX update, so it's good that we identified here pretty early in this trend change that something significant would be happening. I mean, I'm aware of the fundamentals around what happened here with AVAX, but obviously this is a technical analysis, so we're looking at targets, we're looking at what the chart is doing, so that's what it should primarily be about. Identified here yesterday or the day before yesterday an entry area in the orange support box, which I think, depending if anybody took it and maybe you realized partial profits or moved up the stop loss, this could have been an epic trade. I myself didn't take it, yeah, but obviously primarily I'm offering here analysis. So I think it was, after we identified here this impulse, a really good entry area. Yeah, even better if you found this low, but then you caught the knife big time down here. So my view is, yeah, you know, we are doing, in a sense, what's expected. However, on the other hand, we have been waiting, or I have been expecting a stronger pullback in a wave 2. Obviously didn't see this move coming, which makes me now to change the wave count a bit, and this could now set the chart up for something seriously bullish. Yeah, I mean, I haven't talked about AVAX for months probably, and then when I saw this movement here and the breakout of the wedge, I made 2 videos in the last couple of days, and someone said already if I'm in love with AVAX, and not necessarily, but obviously when I spot for any of these coins a possible trend reversal, I try to make you aware as soon as possible. However, this is even, let's say, a stronger impulse than I thought. So, wow, I'm just looking at the Bitcoin price here. It's just crazy what's going on at the moment. So yeah, we need to look at that as well in a separate video. But let's look at this. So I think this could now be something quite bullish. So we're looking at a revised count here. Wave 1 up, wave 2 down. I think we are still in the wave 3, so this could become, I mean, I'm skeptical about this count. I'm very honest with you, very skeptical, because this would be very bullish now. Let me change the wave degree here. I just want to take you through the count, right? And we change the wave degrees here accordingly. So this down here, 1, 2. We then had the next 1, 2 set up here. So it started down here. We had a wave 1, which peaked on the 4th of Jan. Came down in a wave 2. The trade entry was actually wave 2, which also explains why we briefly dropped below the support area here. Yeah, we'd never substantially broke it, but we briefly dropped below it. Then this would mean we are now still in the 3rd wave as well of this one. Why? I'm going to show you in a minute. So you can already see this has the potential now, and I'm going to track this now because this could be something. This could be something serious. So even though I still don't like the higher time frame chart of AVAX, but that's a different story. We're looking at the lower time frame here. And then within this, we have another 1, 2 setup. 1, 2. And I would say that even here, we haven't reached the 3rd wave yet. But that's why I'm skeptical about it, because this is getting too bullish. Do you know what I mean? It's unrealistic. And then within this, we have another 1, 2. Which is this high, 1, 2, and we're now in the 3, 4, 5. So it's getting a bit messy now. I'm not gonna, there's even a lower level count now, but I'm not gonna put that onto the chart as well. But you see, we've got all these 1, 2 setups. So, and that is how these 1, 2 setups can really lead to a bullish scenario. In the detail, we have here another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's probably a 3rd wave here, and we can still move higher here. And this is now, I mean, I need a bit more structure now to really look at where we could be going. But if I'm looking at target now for this wave 3 here, which is probably not finished because we only have 1, 2, 3 waves in 3, I would take, let me think. Yeah, I would take the length of the wave 1, we go to the low of the wave 2. Let me think. 1, 2, target for the 3. I mean, we're talking here about the 4th extension probably. I mean, in this case, the 4.618 extension wouldn't be unrealistic for this 3rd wave here because of all the 1-2 setups, yeah. So it's a bit crazy, but let's see if we actually get there and what we're doing. That's how I would track it at the moment. We don't have enough structure here to really say where we are, but lots of volume and the 1-2 setups. With this breakout, I have to count it like that. Otherwise, I would have counted all of this as a wave 1, basically as a diagonal pattern, but that's not possible anymore because of this breakout. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm not necessarily highly confident about this count, but I'm tracking it for you, and maybe tomorrow we know a bit more, but this could seriously go much higher now. Not in a straight line, it will go up and down. We're massively overbought now. Probably also on the daily. Let's just check the daily. Yeah, also on the daily. So, but again, you know, if you have all these waves 3s and 4s, this can now lead to quite a bit of sideways movement over the coming weeks maybe. And that is how, with consolidation, those indicators can be brought down as well. So I'm going to observe that for you. What we obviously shouldn't do anymore is to break below the last swing low at 12.28, because then this potential is gone. Okay, and that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.